Hi guys, today we will be opening this box. It's a smart garden by Click and Grow, and this apparently is to grow an indoor plant without needing sunlight, and it's have like this UV lighting that can help it grow. And yes, today will be a voiceover. And here is the back cover. This shows this smart garden will grow plants for you. No yards, no problem. Our smart garden will help you grow food indoors year round. Just plug in, fill the tank, and grow any plant you want. Our wide selection includes a theme, wild strawberry, peppermint, mini tomato, chili pepper, and moss rose. So apparently this include 3 basils, and it can help you make fresh pesto with ingredients that you need to have. Like they say salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, olive oil. It's basically household ingredients that you might have and you can make into a pesto sauce. Now I will be unboxing this. Let me try to unbox. Okay. Ooh. Alright, this shows like a welcome box. It shows where it come from and how it's discovered a few years back then. Remove your refills from this box. There's nothing here, and I think it dropped, so here it is. Here is a plant 3 packs for smart garden is basil, so there is 3 of them. And okay, oh, here is the big lighting. There's like steps for you here. Fill the tank, add water until the water level indicate reaches the top of the garden. Okay, wait, let me open this up first. So here is the, I'm not gonna say it's an incubator, but maybe it's like okay, let's call it a smart garden since they call that too. So here is the cable. I think it's connected to here. So let me try to figure out how to open. Oh, there's the opening. Okay. And there's like instructions here, so I'll read that later. There's some parts that you have to fix it yourself. Let's put it there. Here is a adapter. It's not adapter. Here's another one. Ooh, it comes in a very strange parts. Oh yeah, it is called adapter plug. Okay, so this box contains 3 clear domes, 2 lamp arm extensions, and adapter plug. Okay, let's close that up. Now we can see how it's ready to grow. So fill the tank, add water until the water level indicates reach the top of the garden. So we can't really see yet. Prep the capsule. Insert the refills into the garden by removing the U-shaped white lids from the refill cavities and place them back on once the refills are in place. Add the clear dome on each refill. And then the third step is to plug the garden in. You'll find the adapter in this box. Then you go, have fun. Your garden got the rest covered. So it sounds pretty easy, but I think the setup will be quite hard. Okay, now let's try to figure this out together. Apparently this can be removed, so let's remove that first. Oh, these two. Oh, I think here is like the water. Okay. Interesting. Like this. I'm not sure if you can see. It's quite dark from the camera, but I think it's a water refill area. Oh, you can stick your hand in and like try to take this out here. Not sure what this is again. Hold on. Let me fill the tank. It's like it shows like this. So fill the tank, add water until the water level indicate reaches the top of the garden. Maybe I have to add the water all the way until here, like this level here. Okay, let me try that. Okay, upon reading like this instruction, I didn't read it at first. So it did say the instruction here. I'm not supposed to add water in first. I'm supposed to insert the plant pots into the little capsule here. And you also can name your basil or like your plant, the seed that you're growing. Then you fill up the tank and plug in, and then that's it. Yeah, and then here they'll teach you how to fit the power cord. Okay, so let's open this first. Before that, let's take one of the capsule. The place is quite messy now, so let's take one of these. Oh, it's kind of hard. Okay, got it. So it shows like this. Then we open the package here. They say open here, the little tag. Let's open. Oh, be careful, there's soil inside. I'll try to be careful here too. Okay. Apparently I have to do 3 of them together. I can't do one by itself because it's open like this. Be careful. Need to make sure that I don't accidentally flip everything off. Okay, so I got it. Now let's fit one of them inside this little cup without dirtying my whole place. Oh, it came like this. You just pop it in. Okay, it's that easy. Now you just cover it, and I'll do the same for the vest too. Now let's put it in. Okay, take it out again. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, it's not that dirty, so I'm quite happy with that. Last one over here. Okay, like this. Ta-da! Okay, now this one, I think you don't need anymore. It's empty. Where's the... Oh, it's right here. Okay, just like this. Now, they say you can name your basil. I'm gonna grab my pen. Actually, I'll be grabbing a marker. I don't think pen would work on this type of smooth material. Okay. Oh man, I should have wrote the name first. It's okay. What should I name? I'll just give it a classic basil 1, basil 2, basil 3. Let me write. Basil 1. And then I'll give it I'll give this face. Okay, basil 2. Now basil 3. This will be basil 3 face. Oh, okay. Here's basil 2. It's the dot dot with the capitalized D. Okay. Now after you name your plant, they say to fill the tank. They say you must fill from this side here, this side. Pour the water into the tank until the water level reaches the top of the garden. Don't overwater. It's time to refill the tank once the water level reached the bottom of it. So it just shows 1.5 liter. Okay, I'm gonna measure it. Okay, so I got my water. I put it in a measuring cup, and you see 1.5 liter. I did a little bit. This is 500 ml, so I will need to do 3 times. So I'm not sure if I must remove this part, but maybe I can just water it just like that. They didn't ask me to remove it, so I'm just gonna pour it. Oh, here, I accidentally pour over here. It's okay. This is okay. I think you don't have to remove this part. Just the water just flow right through. Be careful. Don't rush. Just be calm. Okay. I made a little mess, but it's okay. It's just water. Now I need to do 2 more times. This is the second time. Oh no, I spilled again. I'm just afraid of it being overflow. But so far it's not overflow yet. So I'm good. Just be careful. Oh, do you see this part? This part is just, it floats. So it's like, I think once it reached the max here, then I should stop. Okay, I'll be back for the third round. Okay, for this part, I think it might be a little messy, so make sure you have your paper towel with you. I'm gonna slowly pour this. Don't rush too much. Oh no, I spilled so much. Is it done? I don't want to over water. Okay, I think it's like at the top. Yep, you don't have to refill that much water. It's not really at the top yet. Should I pour a little bit more? I hope I'm not regretting my decision. Okay, yeah, that's I think that's good enough. Okay, so now the water part is done. Now let's see. We have to plug the garden in. Your garden will start running the minutes you plug in. To make sure the lamp isn't bright when you sleep, put your garden during the morning. This will set the lamp automatic cycle off. 16 hours on, 8 hours off to your waking hours. So this one is to fit the power cord. Okay, let me try that. Okay, so I also read that this is a extender. You just slot it in like this. And when the plant grow, keep growing very tall. You just put this like this, and the light will still shine on the plant without making the plant bend while growing. Just like the background picture right here. Oh, okay, so this is how you're gonna plug in. So apply this button. You see this one? You have to twist to the correct side. So if like this, there's this curve area. You see over here have a curve too. You just like follow the alignment, lock it just like this. Easy. And if you accidentally put the wrong one, just press this button and then just open that like that. Look, they even show you how to lock and open. Since my country, I'll be using this plug instead. Let me just show you again. Just like that. Okay, so I'll bring this to the plug that I have. But currently right now it's nighttime for me. So probably I'll just show you how it look like, how the light shine. And I will test it out tomorrow morning again. Okay, wait, before that, over here they taught you how to keep the wire more convenient for you. Actually, more convenient for them. Just slotting inside this slit hole right here. Okay, so apparently this is how they will how you look like. You just use this adapter plug it inside your circuit. Whoa! Look at that. It shines really brightly, and you just leave it there. This will be for the morning one. Leave it for like 16 hours, and then during the night time, your resting hour, it will dim. I think it will dim for like 8 hours when you sleep. So you just plug it in and leave it be. And if you're worried that the water level will drain, here is like the water level indicator here. See, bouncing. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.